Now let's understand what is debt capital market. That is one of the important segments of capital market. So as we saw in the equity capital market, it's basically the corporates which deal in equity capital market to raise money. In debt capital market, it can be both corporate as well as government which will take help from debt capital market to finance their operations or expansions. So debt capital market is a market for trading debt securities both for corporates as well as the government, as we discussed previously, and it provides the financial instrument which pays interest. So what we get, what the owners of the shares or shareholders will be getting is dividend, but in case of debt they will be getting what is called interest, which is not based on profit but is very much fixed. Now there could be a hybrid debt instruments also, but in general the interest, which is also known as coupon, will be fixed, and will be that fixed part will be received by the debt holders or debt instrument holders. Now since there is a fixed component involved in debt instrument, so debt capital market is also known as a fixed income market, because ultimately the return is fixed for the investors or for the buyers of debt instrument.